on, whoa, not yet. Wait till we're prepared here. Wait. Here's your cork, right?
Yep, there's my cork.
There's your cork, all right. Yeah, everybody back up. Everybody back up. It's going to spray vinegar all over the place.
Yeah, that's what it did last time.
Back up!
I'm not backing up. I'm trying to.
It's working. Go ahead. Keep going.
Way to go!
Yeah!
It hit the roof!
Is that glass? Is that a glass bottle?
No, it's not.
Plastic.